Now I'm discussing about algebra. Operation with sign numbers. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Fundamental operation of sign number. A. Rules in addition and subtraction of sign numbers. First, to add two numbers with the same signs, add their absolute value and attach their common sign to the sum. Same sign. Add the absolute value of the numbers and keep the common sign. For example, -4 plus -7 equals -11. Second, to add two numbers with different sign, subtract their absolute value and attach the sign of the number with the larger absolute value. The result, different sign. Subtract the smaller absolute value from the larger absolute value and use the sign of the number with the larger absolute value. For example, 4 plus -7 equals -3. Third, to subtract two sign numbers. The subtrahend change is sign from positive to negative or from negative to positive. Then addition rules take place. Absolute value is the value of the number regardless to its sign. Subtraction. Change the sign of the subtrahend, the number being subtracted, and follow the rules for addition. For example, -4 minus -7 equals -4 plus +7 equals 3. Next is B. Rules in multiplication and division of sign number. First, multiply or divide two numbers with like sign. Affix the positive sign to the product quotient. Same sign. The result is positive. For example, -7 or -6 equals 42, or -42 over -7 equals 6. Second, to multiply or divide two numbers with unlike sign, affix the negative sign, the product quotient. Different sign. The result is negative. For example, -7 or +6 equals -42, or 42 over 7 equals -6. Next, fundamental operation of fraction. Add and subtraction of fraction. First, to add or subtract similar fraction, add or subtract their numerators and keep the same denominator. Similar fraction. Add and subtract the numerators and keep the same denominators. Example, 1/2 plus 3/2 equals 4/2. I-add ang ibabaw unya ang ubos kapion ra. Second, to add, subtract similar fraction, rewrite the fraction so that they will have the same denominator. Apply LCD. Dissimilar fraction. Find a common dissimilar LCD, less common denominator before adding or subtracting. Pangitaon sa nimo ang LCD daw sa ka mag-add or subtract. Sunod, multiplication and division of fraction. First, to multiply two fraction, simply multiply the numerators, then multiply and denominators, and then simplify the resulting fraction to its lowest term. Multiplication. Multiply the numerators and denominators. Simplify the resulting fraction. Example, 5 over 7 times 2 over 3 equals 10 over 21. Second, to divide two fractions, multiply the first given fraction by the reciprocal of the second given fraction, and simplify the resulting fraction to its lowest term. Example, 5 over 7 divide 3 over 4 equals 5 over 7 times 4 over 3 equals 20 over 21. Sunod, multiplication of fraction, a comprehensive guide. 1. The basic idea. Multiplying fraction is like finding a fraction of a fraction. For instance, if you want to find half of a quarter, 1 over 2 of 1 over 4, you're dealing with the fraction equation. Number 2, the process step by step. Number 1, down the fraction, ensure you have the fraction clearly written out. For example, let's say you want to multiply fraction 2 over 3 by fraction 4 over 5. Number 2, multiply the numerators. Multiply the top numerators of the fraction. In my example, 2 over times 4 equals 8. Number 3, multiply the multiply the bottom denominators of the fraction. In my example, 3 over times 5 equals 15. Number 4, write the result. Create a new fraction with the product of the numerators as the new numerators and the product of the denominator as new denominator. In my example, fraction 8 over 15. 8 over 15. Number 5, simplify. Reduce the fraction. If impossible, check if the resulting fraction can be simplified. Look for common fraction between the numerator and the denominator. If there any, divide both by their greatest common factor. In my example, 8 and 15 have no common factors other than 1. So fraction 8 over 15 is already in simplest form. 3. Examples. Sample 1. Fractions 1 over 2 times fraction 3 over 4. Multiply numerators 1 over times 3 equals 3. Multiply denominator 2 times 4 equals 8. Result. Fraction 3 over 8 will be simplified. Example 2. Fraction 2 over 5 times fraction 3 5 over 6. Multiply numerators 2. 2 times 5 equals 10. Multiply numerators 5 times 6 equals 30. Resulting fraction 10 over 30. Simplify. Both 10 and 30 are divisible by 10. So, fraction 10 divide 10. Divisible 10. Divisible 10 times 30. Divisible 10 equals fraction 1 over 3. Example 3. Fraction 3 over 8 times fraction 4 over 9. Multiply numerators 3 times 4 equals 12. Multiply the numerators 8 times 9 equals 72. Resulting fraction 12 over 72. Simplify. Both 12 and 72 are divisible by 12. So fraction 12 divisible 12 and 72 and over divisible 12 equals fraction 1 over 6. 4. Tips and tricks. Simplify before multiplying. Sometimes you can simplify before multiplying by canceling out common factors between the numerators of one fraction and the denominator of the other. This can make the multiplication easier. For example, in fraction 2 over 5 times 5 over 6, you can cancel out the 5 before multiplying. Mixed number. If you have mixed number, convert them to improper fraction before multiplying. For example, 1 fraction 1 over 2 times 2 fraction 2 over fraction 1 over 3 become fraction 3 over 2 times fraction 7 over 3. Division of fraction. A comprehensive guide. 1. The basic idea. Dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. The reciprocal of a fraction is obtained by swapping the numerator and the denominator. Number 2, the process step by step. 1. Write down the fraction. Clearly write out the fraction you want to divide. For example, fraction 1 over 2 divisible fraction 3 over 4. Number 2, find the reciprocal of the second fraction. The second fraction is the one you're dividing by the divisor. To find reciprocal, swap the numerators and the denominator. In my example, the reciprocal of fraction 3 over 4 is fraction 4 over 3. Number 3. Change the division to multiplication. Replace the division sign with the multiplication sign and use the reciprocal of the second fraction. In my example, fraction 1 over 2 divisible fraction 1 over 3 over 4 becomes fraction 1 over 2 times fraction 4 over 3. Number 4. Multiply the fraction. Follow step for multiplying fraction. Multiply the numerators. 1 times 4 equals 4. Multiply the denominators. 2 times 3 equals 6. Result. Fraction 4 over 6. 5. Simplify. Reduce the fraction. If possible, look for common factors between the numerators and the denominators and signify. In my example, both 4 and 6 are divisible by 2. So, fraction 4 over divisible to 6 divisible to equals fraction 2 over 3. 2 over 3. And number 3, example. Example 1. Fraction 2 over 3 divisible over fraction 1 over 2. Reciprocal of fraction 1 over 2 is fraction 2 over 1. Multiply fraction 2 over 3 times fraction 2 over 1 equals fraction 4 over 3. The result, fraction 4 over 3 can also be written as the mixed number 1 fraction 1 over 3. Example 2. Fraction 3 over 5 divisible and fraction 2 over 7. Reciprocal of fraction 2 over 7 is fraction 7 over 2. Multiply fraction 3 over 5 times fraction 7 over 2 equals fraction 21 over 10. The result, fraction 21 over 10 can be also written as the mixed number 2 and fraction 1 over 10. Example 3. Fraction 5 over 8 and divisible and fraction 3 over 4. Reciprocal of fraction 3 over 4 is fraction 4 over 3. Multiply fraction 5 over 8 times fraction 4 over 3 equals fraction 20 over 24. Simplify. Both 20 and 24 are divisible by 4. So, fraction 20 divisible 4 and 24 divisible 4 equals fraction 5 over 6. Tips and tricks. Mixed number. Convert mixed number to proper fraction before dividing. Keep, change, flip. A helpful mnemonic is keep, change, flip. Sunod. Keep the first fraction as it is. Sunod. Change the division sign to multiplication sign. Sunod. Flip the second fraction. Find is Reciprocal. Write to Mr. Good evening, sir. Kirani, sir.